In order to keep your project or model organized, the first step of organizing and arranging model steps is creating scenes. First scene we will start with in this lesson is a scene that views this area from this point. Specify the camera position, then we will set the direction of view. We review position camera tool. We will ban to adjust the view, so the frame will be like so. Then we will add a new scene. And name it Battery 1. The next scene, its camera will be at this place and directed to this corner. Again with position camera, then choose the first point. Then we will keep holding the mouse left click, then choose the second point, then leave the mouse button and ban to adjust the frame. So we will have this scene. After that we will add a new scene. We will name it Battery 2. We will make this water texture transparent, so we will set its opacity at 50. Then we will see some tools related to camera. First tool is position camera, as previously explained. When we choose it, we select the camera position. Then we select a point that the camera is aimed at. We will find look around tool, turn it on like so. We will notice that to turn the camera, we drag in a direction whether right or left with the look around. Also, we will be able to set the height of eye and set it at 100, right 100. Also, we can use walk tool, which helps us in the moving through the model while keeping on the eye height. So if we set the eye height at 100, it will keep the height however walking through the model. We notice that when we move the mouse to left, we turn the camera and also turn to right. After that, we can set the field of view of the camera through camera menu, field of view. The standard field of view is 35 degrees. The more degrees it has, the wider the view of the camera. So if we set field of view at 45, the camera will see more. We will set it at 80 degrees to see a wider view, a wider angle. It looks that the camera become closer. So we will move back with walk tool. We will find the camera seeing much more. Note that this is the first place. And this is the result of increasing the field of view degrees.